Okay, this is the second video of combo shapes. First video I talked about circles and triangles. This time I want to talk about rectangles and squares and circles. Guess what? You see a rectangle inside of a circle. You see a square outside of a circle. You see a square inside of a circle. I will almost guarantee you what you really need to do is find the hypotenuse of a right triangle. Let me show you. So we've got the circle is inscribed, meaning that the corners sit on the edge of the circle, right? Boom, boom, boom. That's where the word inscription comes from. Not that you really care. And we need to find the radius of the circle so that we can find the area. Well, just by me drawing a couple points, I think you can kind of get the idea maybe that the diagonal of this square will be a diameter of the circle. Now, I go into the book kind of in a little more detail about why that works the way it does, but suffice to say this is always going to be the case with either a rectangle or a circle, basically because of the way the 90-degree angles work. Now that I've got this set up, it's a simple matter just to use a Pythagorean theorem. Now, this doesn't have to be a square. I said rectangle a couple times, but I do want to reinforce this could be like a long, wide rectangle, you know, that like looked like this or something. So this is actually a 45, 45, 90 right triangle. So if you remember your side base or your angle base special right triangles, you could skip the Pythagorean theorem and realize it's just going to be 4 square root of 2. X square root of 2 is how side base or angle base special right triangles that are isosceles, 45, 45, 90, that's how they work. 4 squared plus 4 squared is equal to c squared. Well, that's c squared is equal to 32. Factor 2 out of that, right? Or factor 16 out of that. 4 square root of 2 is equal to c. That's pretty much the math there. So now let's find the radius. Well, let's just half that to find the radius. The diameter is 4 square root of 2. Divide that by 2. Our radius is 2 square root of 2. Now, we don't need to approximate pi. Make sure you always look at your answer choices if you're looking for circle area or circumference, you know, so you don't go one step too far and have to backtrack. So pi times 2 square root of 2 squared. Now you have to square both of these, right? 2 squared is 4. Square root of 2 squared is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. And our answer is 8 pi. Again, not bad. These are a right triangle fest, these combo shapes. Look for them, even when they don't seem to appear.